abonnez-vous massivement à la chaîne Lissapo English Club TV. Bonjour, mingi nabino bandeko balandi Lissapo English Club TV. To sepeli mingi to tombeli bino botondi pour na dévouement nabino pour na importance bozo pesa na chaîne oyo pe pour na confiance bozo pesa biso. Merci pour le feedback nabino. Bon continuez toujours comme la biso na 081 68 01 002 et aux armalam. Alors lelo toye lisusu na leçon mosusu ezali leçon 60. La leçon 59 to mona ki future with will. Comment on va futur na will pour oui futur na will les futur oyo eza non préparé. Eza na deux élevés en probabilité. Alors I will eat, I will go, I will come, I will sit, I will sleep, I will talk, I will make a phone call. Ok? Il y a plusieurs choses que nous faisons. Alors, les autres là, on a future with the present continuous. D'abord, futur, na present continuous. On a déjà present continuous. Mais l'autre, c'est la future. Ok, balobi boy. The present continuous is also used to express events in the future with expressions like tonight, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and so on. Donc, present continuous, I am teaching, you are sitting, I am jumping, okay? I am rocking the baby. Don't say baby, why not rock? I am rocking. I am rocking. Quelqu'un a chanté rocking my body for you. Eminado, rocking my body. Rocking my body. Balancing sotonanga, balancing, rocking my body. Okay. Alors, I am eating, I am going, I am talking. Ils ont dit present continuous, tout le monde en mokala. Mais si on parle ici de l'expression moko ya temps, mais de tonight, tonight c'est le mot là, c'est soir. Tomorrow, lobby. Next week, oso ezoya. Next month, sanza oyezoya. Okay? Next year, année ezoya na. Donc, and so on, et ainsi de suite. Alors, on voit par exemple, même en français, tout ça, on a utilisé France dans le français, mais j'ai exprimé futur. Oh, je travaille demain. Demain, il m'a mis futur. Oh, je te vois ce soir. Ils ont déjà futur pour ce soir. Tu me vois ce soir, pourquoi ils ont futur. Alors, tout un exemple gracieux, tout un exemple maintenant. I am traveling tonight. I am traveling tonight. Your father is coming next week. Your father is coming next week. We are resuming class next month. We are resuming class next month. Students are taking a test tomorrow. Students are taking a test tomorrow. I am traveling tonight. Je voyage ce soir. Your father is coming next week. Papa na yo azoya semaine prochaine. We are resuming class next month. Nous allons la classe mois prochain. Students are taking a test tomorrow. Bah étudiants vont ça là, interro ou examen lobby. Tanga pringa, I am traveling tonight. Your father is coming next week. We are resuming class next month. Students are taking a test tomorrow. Talking a deuxième point où ils allaient holidays in the US, in the United States and DRC. Ba jour férié les États-Unis et la RDC. Totangi. January 1st. January 1st. New Year's Day. New Year's Day. July 4th. July 4th. Martyrs Day. Martyrs Day. June 16th and 17th. National Hero Day. National Hero Day. Third Monday in January, Martin Luther King Day. Third Monday in February, the President's Day. The President's Day. February 14th, Valentine's Day. April 30th, Teaching Day. Teaching Day. May 1st, Labor Day in the United States. Labor Day. June 30th, Independence Day in the DRC. Independence Day in the DRC. July 4th, Independence Day in the US. Independence Day in the US. First day Monday in September. First Monday in September, Labor Day in the US. October 1st, Halloween. December 25th, Christmas. And April Fools, the day when people play tricks on other by lying to them. Okay, otanga swapenga. January, New Year's Day. January 4th, Martyrs Day. January 16th and 17th, National Hero Day in the DRC. Third Monday in January, Martin Luther King Day. Third Monday in February, the President's Day. February 14th, Valentine's Day. April 30th, Teaching Day. May 1st, Labor Day. June 30th, Independence in the DRC. July 4th, Independence Day in the US. August 1st, Day of the Dead in the DRC. First Monday in September, Labor Day in the US. October 1st, Halloween trick or treat. The fourth Thursday in November, Thanksgiving. December 25th, Christmas. Ok. To be January 1st, donc le 1er janvier, ils allaient New Year's Day, jour de Nouvel An. January 4th, le 4 janvier, Martyrs Day, jour de martyr. Le 16 et le 17 janvier, les héros nationaux. On célèbre les héros nationaux. Third Monday in January, Martin Luther King. Troisième lundi en janvier, ils allaient commémorer Martin Luther King. Third Monday in February, the President's Day. February 14th, Valentine's Day. Le 14 février, Saint-Valentin. Ezali Saint-Valentin. April 4th, donc le 30 avril. Teaching Day, jour de l'enseignement. May 1st, le 1er mai. Labor Day in the DRC, jour de labeur, jour de travail dans RDC. Dans le pays peuplé dans le monde. June 30th, le 30 juin, Independence Day in the DRC, fête de l'indépendance en RDC. July 4th, le 4 juillet, Independence Day in the US, indépendance aux États-Unis, jour de l'indépendance aux États-Unis. August 1st, Day of the Dead in the DRC, le 1er octobre, le 1er août, August, ils ont un jour de la Wa. First Monday in September, le 1er lundi dans le mois de septembre, Labor Day in the US, jour de travail dans les États-Unis. October 1st, le 1er octobre, Halloween. The fourth Thursday in November, 4e jeudi de novembre, Thanksgiving, action de grâce. December 25th, le 25 décembre, Christmas, Noël. April Fools, poisson d'avril, il y a un chango étoile. April Fools, le mot va poisson d'avril. The day when people play tricks on others by lying to them. Jour où il y a la kosaka. Tout ça, conversation. Conversation. Lisez avec moi, conversation. Have a good Valentine's Day. Répétez après moi. So Tyler, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day? I do. I'm going to take my girlfriend out to dinner. I do. I'm going to take my girlfriend out to dinner. Oh, really? Where are you going to eat? At Laguna's. It's her favorite restaurant. How fancy. She's going to like that. How about you? What are you going to do? How about you? What are you going to do? Well, I'm going to go to a restaurant. Well, I'm going to go to a restaurant. I'm going to go to a dance. Sounds like fun. Sounds like fun. Well, have a good Valentine's Day. Thanks, you too. Alors, so Tyler, where do you have any plans for Valentine's Day? Alors, Tyler, est-ce que vous planifiez quelque chose pour la Saint-Valentin? Tyler, oui, I do. I'm going to take my girlfriend out to dinner. Oui, na planifié na ma copine nanga na restaurant. Oh, really? Where are you going to eat? What are you going to? Where are you going to eat? I mean, oh, c'est vrai. Bokolia wapi. On va le dire et Lagunas. De Lagunas, c'est dans la Lagunas restaurant. Tolia na restaurant Laguna. It's a favorite restaurant. Ils allaient restaurant préféré à moi aussi. How fancy. Oh, comme c'est luxueux, ou comme c'est du luxe, c'est ça. Fancy, nous, la luxe. Fancy hôtel de luxe. Fancy car, voiture de luxe. She's going to like that. Oh, I was saying, no, Makasi. How are you going? How about you? What are you going to do? Salanini. Well, I'm going to go to a restaurant. Oui, now can a restaurant. I'm going to go to a dance. Now can de Obina. Sounds like fun. Oh, ça a l'air amusant. Well, have a good Valentine's Day. Oh oui. Bonne fête de la Saint-Valentin. Thanks, you too. Merci. Nayope lokola. Ok? Donc, le temps que c'est un jour férié, sur les États-Unis, ils sont facile pour la fête. Merci, Nabino Mandewalandi. Vous communiquez sur 081 68 01 002. Sur en assistance, na poste assistance, vous en avez poste cours nandaku. Teacher platini biaka akwa sérieux baku wana. Vous en avez poste cours na compagnie. Tu vois na compagnie na bino to tangisa anglais sur place na compagnie na ba matos na mission. Donc chat na disposition na bino. TV, laptop, baffle pour autant na vidéo to peut ça peut na compagnie na bino. Merci beaucoup. Goodbye.
La lingala pour comprendre facilement. Belé besoin de déplacer besoin qui n'amboka ba payawe c'est na monoko anglais besoin na et compréhension na dikambo ba ko biso ya pete o comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko anglais a pete ça simple langue ko banga ngote bokota na club isa English TV bango ba laksa ka penda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o ka penda how are you tisuka.